Hi guys! Hope you are well and enjoying the supercars exciting videos on my channel HMKsuper.cars. Here is the good news for those who are waiting for the SUV by Ferrari, Purosangue. But before going forward, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell button too, so that you can get the new videos notification in time. Guys, let's dial our imaginary time machine to September 2018 when Ferrari announced the Purosangue during its Capital Markets Day. Nearly 4 years later, it still hasn't been revealed, but the wait is nearly over. In coming September, a House of Maranello will present its first ever SUV, complete with the mighty V12 engine. Although Ferrari is pumping in money to play a big role in electric mobility, the Ferrari Purosangue will not be powered by batteries, but the much acclaimed V12 engine will find a place in its core. The announcement was made today at the same Capital Markets Day event, during which a few other tidbits were also disclosed. Firstly, the SUV launch later in the year will be the first of 15 new model rollouts for the brand between now and the end of 2026. This impending herd of releases will also include Ferrari's first all-electric supercar, which is coming in 2025, according to the brand. The prancing horse aims to keep the Purosangue relatively exclusive by limiting shipments to customers to below 20% of total annual deliveries. In other words, no more than 1 in 5 new Ferraris sold from 2023 will be the SUV. The Italian brand continues to refrain from using the SUV term, only saying the model will be unlike any other. In addition, we're being told it'll be a pure V12 model, so it's going to be powered by a naturally aspirated engine. It's refreshing to hear there will still be a NA V12 for a number of years, what with increasingly stricter emissions regulations. While the Purosangue will account for about 20% of all sales, the Icona series and the new hypercar will be far more exclusive. Ferrari says it will cap these vehicles at less than 5% of total deliveries, while the special series models like the 812 Competizione or 812 Competizione will account for approximately 10% of all sales. By 2026, 60% of all offerings will have hybrid and purely electric powertrains, with the remaining 40% represented by IC-powered cars. Speaking of powertrains, Ferrari remains tight-lipped about how much power the V12 will deliver in the Purosangue, but we do know it pumps out 830 horsepower in the 812 Competizione. In addition, a more potent configuration has already been announced. Ferrari Purosangue is a much-awaited offering from the Italians, even if it has divided opinions among die-hard fans of the brand. While many feel that Ferrari is steering away from its traditions by taking the SUV route, others see it as a thrilling prospect. For Ferrari though, the Purosangue is a super exclusive production addition to the portfolio, one that could potentially help revenue streams. After all, the resounding and continuing success of Lamborghini Urus is for all to see. So guys, with the Purosangue, Ferrari will join the likes of Bentley, Rolls-Royce, Aston Martin, and Lamborghini on the list of high-end brands to have their very own SUVs. McLaren will allegedly follow suit by the end of the decade. How do you feel about the new Ferrari SUV, Purosangue? Do you really think the prancing horse will give a tough competition to other SUV automakers? Tell me in comments, like the video and subscribe my channel HMK.Supercars. In the next upcoming videos, we'll discuss about some other exciting supercars to come. Till then, enjoy my other supercars videos. Take care and goodbye.